can fix me up with a crane or something? And maybe a steam shovel, and a bell, and a water cannon?
I don't know.
I heard Duck saying you could do anything.
Oh, yes, we can! Anything! Hey, guys! Presenting the new Rebecca!
No.
Aww.
I'm sorry, Rebecca. You're just not a crane, shovel, water cannon type of engine.
Oh, yes, quite right. Thanks, Victor.
Hello, Rebecca. How's it going today? I wonder what's wrong.
Yoo-hoo! Rebecca! Hello! Are you back for another game of Guess What's in My Shovel?
No, thanks. Not now.
Oh. But you said you loved this game. Are you okay? What's wrong?
It's just, there's nothing special about me. Belle is a hero who puts out fires. Harvey has a crane that he uses to help others. And you can dig holes with your steam shovel. But what do I do? Who am I? I'm just a steamy amongst steamies.
You're more than that, Rebecca. You work hard and do a good job.
And I think you do something that none of the other engines do. You see the best in everyone.
Oh, Marion's right. You do that, Rebecca.
You're kind and funny, and when you laugh, you cheer everyone up. That helps everyone to do their best.
Oh, come on, you slow coaches. Can't you see I'm trying to work? All this hanging around is bad for my swerves.
Who's that?
Oh, it's Daisy the diesel rail car.
Daisy doesn't need coaches.
Oh, wow! An engine with no need for coaches? How brilliant is that?
Yes, it is. I am quite brilliant. Thank you for noticing.
That's what I mean, Rebecca. You made Daisy feel good about herself.
Oh, I see. I do that, don't I? Yay, me!
So, how about another game of Guess What's in My Shovel?
Oh, yes! Let me think. Is it dirt?
Yes!
It is! Faster, Thomas! Faster!
Once, I went so fast that I flew way up into the sky, as high as the moon!
Go, Thomas! You're number one!
It doesn't sound very believable.
Are you sure that's what happened, Thomas? You made that up.
Maybe it wasn't quite like that, but it felt like it. One thing's for sure, where I come from, I'm the #1 tank engine.
But I'm the #1 tank engine. It's right here, on the side of my tank.
That's a #1?
That's how we write the #1 in China. Only we don't call it 1. We call it E. My name is Hong Mei, by the way.
Oh, my name's Thomas.
Race you to the next station.
Hey, come back here! Hanmei was fun. She liked racing, and racing was something I knew all about.
I'm #1. I'm #1. Keep up, slow coach.
Oh, no! Oh! Yeah. Not fair. I had to stop for a silly red signal.
Here in China, red is the color for good luck. But it wasn't very lucky for you just now.
No, it wasn't. But I bet I can beat you if we race again.
Okay, Thomas, you're on. 3,
2,
1.
开始!
Huh?
开始 means start, Thomas.
Oh! It's no use. I can't keep up with Hong Mei.
Don't worry, Thomas.
We know a shortcut.
Just take this next turn.
Are you sure?
Hello, Gordon. I hope you're enjoying all the changes I've made to the railway.
Who put this here? This is ridiculous!
Gordon, do you often sleep facing backwards?
Nia?
I personally don't think this is such a good idea. How can you see where you're going when you back out, eh?
I'm not going anywhere. I'm going to stay here forever and ever.
I know change can be hard, Gordon. Almost everything in my life has changed. I'm in a new country, on a new railway, trying to make new friends. And all my old friends are much farther away than Henry and Edward are going to be. And you know something else?
What?
My old friends are still my friends. Good morning, everybody. Morning, Nia.
Good morning.
Rise and shine.
Good morning, everyone.
Who is going to pull the express today? Henry again? Or maybe someone else would like a turn?
I shall pull the express. I am the express engine.
Wait! Gordon! Stop!
What?
If you don't wait for the turntable to line up, you will fall off the tracks. Okay, you can go now.
Thank you, Nia. I'm sorry about being rude to you yesterday, and that you don't get to see your old friends anymore.
Thank you, Gordon. I'm happy to be friends, if you are.
So am I.
And I hope we will both be friends with the other new engine, too.
Other new engine? What other new engine?
We don't know yet. But now that Henry's...
I was.
Maybe you should introduce yourself first, Rajiv.
Ah, yes. Silly me. I'm Rajiv, the Royal Engine. The pleasure is all yours. Noor Jahan.
Just because you have a crown doesn't mean you're royal.
Our railway is also the most glamorous.
And the most hardworking.
You'll soon get used to working here, Thomas. It's not so different to the railway on Sodor, you know?
Wow! We don't have those in the shunting yards on Sodor.
Oh, elephants used to be everywhere and can still be seen in some places in India. There was a time when elephants used to work in the shunting yards.
They used to help shunt the cars when the engines were busy.
Elephants can't shunt cars.
Yes, they can. Some elephants are stronger than engines, Thomas.
Oh! Is that an elephant?
No, just me bringing you your cars.
On my way to deliver my cars, I saw many more new things. Amazing palaces and monuments. Very high bridges. And even animals traveling on top of trains. Oh! Ashima, why have you stopped?
I'm waiting for her to wake up.
Why don't you blow your whistle to make her move? That's what Sir Topham Hatt would tell us to do.
But Thomas, cows are very special to many people in India. And if a cow wants to sleep, well, we let it sleep.
Oh, okay, Ashima. I'll let her sleep too. See you later. I couldn't believe it. Elephants, goats, chickens, cows. It felt to me like the animals were in charge of the railway in India. I didn't think that could ever happen on Sodor.
Thomas the tank engine, you've come in on the wrong platform.
Ah!
You're causing confusion and delay. Watch where you're going.